Register bonded petroleum imports with full customs compliance. Bonded import documentation begins in the Trade module, the central workspace for bond and customs entry management. Centralized tracking of bonded entries ensures compliance with Kenya Revenue Authority requirements and port discharge controls. The TR-800 entry registers petroleum cargo imported under customs bond and maintains a complete audit trail. Creating a new entry initiates the official bonded registration of a specific cargo consignment. The entry number serves as the unique TR-800 identifier recognized across customs and internal systems. Entry date and valid till define the authorized period for bonded storage, clearance, or movement. Bond number links the entry to the registered customs guarantee covering the imported cargo. Port of import specifies the approved Kenyan port or terminal for cargo discharge. Entry type confirms the bonded import classification applicable to the petroleum cargo. Supplier name identifies the company supplying the petroleum or white products. Country of origin and transit country captures shipment routing for customs and regulatory validation. Purchase planning links the TR-800 entry to an approved procurement and import plan. Vessel name and cargo reference record the transport details used for port and terminal verification. Bonded value and manifest date declare the customs value and reporting timeline under bond. Manifest number synchronizes the TR-800 entry with shipping and port authority records. Clearing agent and clearing charges details identify the licensed party responsible for customs processing. Supporting TR-800 documents provide evidence required for customs validation and audit review. Submitting the entry validates the data and activates the bonded import record. This process formally registers bonded petroleum imports, secures bond coverage, and enables controlled cargo discharge. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.